29.47 inches. Still steady. The land flooding occurred. Rain was falling with a temperature of 30 at Cleveland, 50 at Worcester, 49 at Akron Fulton Airport, 47 at Youngstown, and 52 at Cincinnati, 11.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise 11.2 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.2 feet on April 26, 1961. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. A weather message. Tonight. West winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? Lorain County. When? Until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. The strongest winds will be near Lake Erie. Additional details. Trees will be more likely to come down given saturated ground conditions. People should avoid being outside in forested areas under out trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight. West winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? Cuyahoga, Lake, Chippewa, and Ashtabula Lakeshore counties. When? Until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. The strongest winds will be near Lake Erie. Additional details. Trees will be more likely to come down given saturated ground conditions. People should avoid being outside in forested areas under out trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. At 7 p.m., weather reports for selected places. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for western Belmont County of East Central Ohio, southeastern Guernsey County in East Central Ohio, southeastern Harrison County in East Central Ohio, southwestern Jefferson, Ohio County in East Central Ohio, western Monroe County in East Central Ohio, Noble County in East Central Ohio, until 2:30 a.m. At 8:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.8 to 1.5 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include St. Clairsville, Barnesville, Wheatsfield, Caldwell, Dudley, Bethesda, Flushing, Attica, Quaker City, Seneca, Belmont, Pleasant City, Fieldsville, Cumberland, Holloway, Lower City, New Athens, Morristown, Summerfield, and Harrisville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.